Hello, and welcome to Patio Productions. I want to talk to you today about an innovative material that is transforming outdoor spaces: composite furniture, also known as poly lumber or recycled plastic patio furniture. You may be familiar with traditional patio furniture materials like wood, wicker, and metal, but composites offer unbeatable durability while retaining the beauty of natural wood. Composites blend recycled plastic, wood fibers, and other plant materials to create an extremely weather-resistant product. What does this mean for you? No more cracking, staining, rotting, or splintering, even if your furniture stays outside year-round. Composites resist fading better too, retaining 96% of their color even after years in the sun. Their stain-proof finish also makes maintenance a breeze, just an occasional soap and water cleaning to look like new. With advanced manufacturing techniques, composites can mimic realistic wood grains and textures in a variety of styles. Choose from dining sets, loungers, benches, bar height tables, and more. Composites even give back to the planet by saving trees and reducing landfill waste. Want to learn more? See the video description for a link to our full composite furniture guide. And don't forget to visit patioproductions.com for the largest selection of composite patio furniture sets. Invest in sustainable composites so you can relax outdoors in unmatched comfort for years to come.